Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, June 3rd. Today's Zen story is titled The Archer and the Arrow. In the mountains beyond the temple, a master archer named Kai practiced in solitude. His arrows cut through the mist, striking the wooden target with unwavering precision. Each shot was perfect. A wandering monk approached, drawn by the rhythmic sound of the arrows finding their mark. He watched in silence for a while before speaking. Your aim is flawless, but isn't effortless. Kai frowned. What do you mean? I have trained for years to perfect my shot. The monk picked up a fallen twig and tossed it into the air. The wind caught it, sending it tumbling through the sky before it landed softly on the earth. The twig has no effort, yet it follows its path. Kai scoffed. A twig is not an arrow. An arrow must be guided. The monk smiled. Then shoot without guiding. Curious, Kai pulled out another arrow and lifted his bow. He aimed, exhaled, and let the arrow fly. But at the last moment, his fingers twitched to correct the shot. The arrow veered slightly, missing the center. The monk simply bowed and walked away. That night, as the wind sighed through the trees, Kai sat with his bow across his lap. The twig had flown without resistance. His arrow had not. He watched the stars and wondered which path was truly straight. Take a comfortable position and, as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes gently and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Just being here in this moment as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. When have you overcorrected something that may have been fine on its own? When have you overcorrected something that may have been fine on its own? How do you distinguish between control and trust in your own actions? How do you distinguish between control and trust in your own actions? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of the practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections and also to check out our private circle group where I'm putting the practical suggestions for moments of Zen during your day. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, and I will see you on Thursday.